Hi folks, in this video we'll take a look at modifying each slide, the content for the slide being the title, the description, the button, and the picture. I'll have a second video that talks about how to create your own cutout images if you wish to do that. If not, just contact us, send us your pics. We use an online service from Photoshop that we can upload your image to and cut them out fairly quickly. Just send them over. With that said, these four pieces right here, in order to modify those, we're going to go into the Bootstrap slider page, and what I recommend we do is we flip to code view for this. Now you don't need to know HTML, but it kind of just gets you to the spot a little faster, because the four pieces of content that we're going to be changing is title, description, button, because that links to whatever page you want it to link to, and then the image. So looking at our Bootstrap slider page, and this is the same for Expression Web or Dreamweaver, just scroll down and literally you'll see the title text right here highlighted in a dark or a black. Same with this here, and then there's your button, and the link for that button is right there. You can put in whatever link you want for the button, or you could flip it over to the design view and you can literally see the information in the page, and then you can use the tools in your editor to change the pictures. Now, the picture you see here is the one that shows up here, the cutout image. We actually have a secondary background image that the slider can show, but it's turned off by default. It's sort of hidden by the CSS, and it's right here. And it actually has a very subtle effect on the slider, but the main image you want to change is this one right here. That's that cutout image right there. The size of the image is slider themed image 1 right here. It's 1920 by 1080. Now, when we take a look at these images, like this one right here is a good example, we'll take a look at this in our photo editor so you can get a good idea of how big the picture is. So I'll just go back here and I'll open this up with my fireworks. I'm going to zoom this down to 50%. So all the checkered piece here, that's the actual background of the image, and this is the actual cutout piece of the image. So the canvas size is 1920 by 1080, but you can see here the actual focal part of the image, it's about 10-15% from the top, 10-15% from the bottom, 15-20% from the right side. But this gives you an idea of perspective in terms of how big do you want your cutout piece to be. If you can try and sort of get it within the same size as the original, you'll have a pretty good looking end result.